All right, you guys are in for a treat today, okay? So my client invited me over to dinner in this community because they just closed on that property we just drove by. And while I'm here, I figure I'd do a quick video to give you a tour on this beautiful property here. And you do not want to sleep on this community. One reason why. And before I give you a tour of the house, I will tell you one reason why, or perhaps we may even drive by that reason. So that way you know what you're getting yourself into. So I mentioned to you that you wanted to check out this community because of an opportunity, right? So I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna turn my camera around and just show you. I don't want to walk on the neighbor's property, but I wanted to show you something you don't want to miss about this community. So let me turn my camera around and I'll show you something real quick. So we are at the Falls Cove Lake Norman Enclave, and as you can see, that is the lake in the background. So the community is right off Lake Norman. So I don't know if you have a good picture of the lake or not, but the community is right off Lake Norman. So living in here, you have access to the lake and very private community. So let's go tour this property. We are in Troutman. It is right between Morrisville and Stateville, about 35 minutes from downtown Charlotte. And today we're gonna tour this property. Come on, let's go take a look. Okay, this model here, I forgot to mention, there's two builders in this community. This model here is being built by DR Horton. The purchase made by my client were by DR Horton, so I'm coming to DR Horton first to show you this model. Stay tuned, hold your breath, because you will love this floor plan, okay? Let's go in. The salesperson is on site, so perhaps we might stop by, say hi, and ask questions about this model as well too, and what the community has to offer. So stay tuned. I'll give you a tour, let you talk to the salesperson, and you just tell me what you think. Come home. Look at this grand entrance as you walk in. That's the builder sales office. But today let's focus on showcase this home for you guys. Okay, let's go. So let's take this way into it. Instead of going through that way to go to the kitchen, let's go this way. So you can just kind of see this home and what it has to offer. Look how open this is. Speaking of open concept, and if you were to go back here, your pantry and your butler, look at that. The ideal, perfect place for coffee. In fact, they have a Keurig here, or if you want who enjoy drinking, beautiful bar. And then back to the dining area. And then let's go back through this side and just showcase another sitting area here, in addition to the, well, not tell me if this is not a true sense of open concept. Very large island here. So let me walk you to the back. You got your full bath downstairs. Yeah, that's me right there. And then you have your coat closet. So on the main level here, I believe they're supposed to have a door back there to get you in the garage. But because they're using that side for the sales office, they have a wall. So you may not see the door, but yeah, there is supposed to be a door to take you to the garage. So now you have a bedroom tucked in the back. Yeah, a good sized bedroom. Ideal for in-law suite, or you have a young adult children. This bedroom is perfect. Well, they have their own private room here, guest bedroom, and have their own bathroom. All right, now that you have seen the first floor, what are your thoughts so far? Before I take you to the second floor, let me know any question you may have. After the second floor, I'm going to talk to the salesperson, ask some information about what are some they're running special this month called the Red Tag Special. Let me turn the camera, I'll show you real quick. Look at that. They're having a Red Tag event and they have a lot of special going on. See all that? Those are all special they have going on. They even have special going on the interest rate. So if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'll go talk to the salesperson, just ask some questions about some of the incentive they have going on and what are some of the benefits you get on the Red Tag sale, the event they have this month. Okay, now let's go on to the second floor and see what the second floor has to offer. And before I tell you, wait till you see the primary bedroom on the second floor. Wait till you see the primary bedroom on the second floor. Okay, ready? Let's go on the second floor. Look at this loft. You step back and show the whole open space. Look at this. As soon as you walk out, so you literally have a second living family area, loft area. Look how big this is. And right next to it, on my left hand side, you have your first bedroom. Your full bath here. This is your second bedroom on the upper level. Remember, we have one bedroom downstairs. Upstairs, this is the second bedroom upstairs. You have your laundry area. And now guys, let's go to the primary bedroom where all the magic happened, where you guys have been waiting for. Let me turn the camera around because this is a double door entrance to the primary bedroom. So let me turn the camera around and show you this primary bedroom. Turn around. Let's take a look. Ta-da! Look at that. Told you. Surprise primary bedroom, right? Not only is big, but guess what? You can have a sitting area room. You have a sitting area in your primary bedroom. So if you're a man and you get in trouble a lot, you don't do the dishes, you don't clean up, and your wife sometimes tell you, hey, today you're sleeping on the couch, this might be the room for you. You don't have to go downstairs sleep on the couch. You can sleep in here. Somebody like me who is always in trouble, I would love to have this extra room where I can make my camping, sleep over here, and don't have to go downstairs on the couch because I got in trouble for not cleaning, doing the dishes, or anything. You really might get in trouble. So having that extra room is a big plus. But now, if you're happy married and you need an area to sit down and drink coffee, read a book, this area might be the area for you as well too. So this primary bedroom is to die for. I wanted to show you the primary bath too. Okay, stay tuned. Let's go take a look. The one thing I love about both the primary bedroom and bathroom here, the entrance door have double door entrance, just make it more of a grand presentation. If you look, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you just can see. Going into your primary bathroom, you have a double door going into the primary bathroom. Just give you that grand entrance, grand opening. Look at this. See, the double door. Just push them open, just like that. Now, here's your stand-up shower, tile to the ceiling. Did you have your soaking tub? Private area for toilet. Now, let's not forget about his and her sink. Now that you have seen this home, what are your thoughts? I'm going downstairs to talk to the sales agent on site of DR Horton Builder. Jamie.
Daniel. Yes.
So we just had a client close in this community,
Sure,
right?
absolutely.
And they are in love. In fact, they invited me over tonight for dinner.
Yes.
So that's how happy they are.
Yeah.
And you took good care of them. They are so happy of having Jamie as a sales agent. Now tell me, what is so special about this community other than just it's a beautiful community?
Well, I love to tell the story. I've been with the company about 10 years.
Okay.
When they invited me to come back up here and check out this development when it was just dirt,
Okay.
and they asked me about what I felt about it, the thing that I noticed, if you haven't noticed already, is all the trees.
Yes.
Okay? I asked them, what about the trees? Because you know as well as I do, being the biggest builder in the U.S., we're as guilty as everybody else. And we come in with about hundreds of acres and we clear it. The thing about this community that makes it awesome for people is, number one, we're the number one builder, but there are 3 creeks in this community that feed into Lake Norman.
Wow.
They're protected by the state. Because of that, those creeks also have to have a minimum 50-foot vegetation buffer around them. So all the trees that you see stay.
Let me show them. Let me just show you a little bit about what Jimmy's talking about. You see? Can you tell?
So a lot of our trees that are in here, a lot of our houses back up to trees. So
And you don't have that in Charlotte anymore.
No.
You
A
don't.
lot of the homes in here. Look out the back. Let's walk back here.
Okay.
Yeah, we build beautiful houses. And imagine I was standing here on dirt. This house wasn't even here.
Okay.
But when you look back here, all of these trees are staying.
Oh, look at that.
So for the first time in a long time, somebody can buy a new house
And have
and have the
trees.
trees behind them. I have been in this neighborhood and seen people put hammocks.
You don't have
Kids
this
playing in the
anymore in
woods.
Charlotte.
No. So people have privacy behind them, and it's all hardwood. There's some pine in here, but the hardwood means that our leaves are changing colors. It's a beautiful community. In
It's
October,
so private,
November,
too.
and yeah, this is the weekend, and this is how loud the community is. Lots of families, lots of adults, lots of kids, lots of dogs, lots of decks because people enjoy sitting outside and looking at the trees.
And they have a lot of space too, backyard space.
Yeah, our average lot size is about 2/10 of an acre, which people don't think is big until I say, well, that's a 2/10 acre lot. And they're like, oh, wow.
Yeah, you got a lot.
Yeah, it's a beautiful neighborhood. People love the trees.
Thank you, Jamie.
Yes, absolutely.
So now I see you guys having a Red Tag sales event going.
Yes.
So you want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so from time to time, DR Horton will find some of our inventory homes that are nearing completion that we'll put on a red tag offer. So what we do is we reduce the price a little bit.
Okay.
We are the biggest builder, so we've got our own lending arm. DHI Mortgage is our preferred lender, which is a sister company. We can give them up to $10,000 in closing costs.
Okay. 10,000 closing costs.
We know right now
Okay.
that interest rates are a big deal, and they're
Correct.
well over 6%. Well, with a conventional 30-year fixed, we can fix them as low as 5.5% fixed for 30 years.
So what do they have to get the 5.5%?
They have to have good credit, obviously, but they have to apply with DHI Mortgage.
So DHI Mortgage will guarantee you 5.5%
Get you as
interest.
low as 5.5% fixed on a 30-year conventional rate.
And I think my client got that 5.5 too.
Absolutely, and 10,000 in closing.
You know what, Jamie?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I know it's a busy day for you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm hoping to bring you more clients.
Yeah, please do.
And then we'll do a lot of business together.
Yes.
So here we are at my client's house. I'll turn the camera around just to show it to you. She's literally just moving in. She invited me over for dinner tonight, so I'm going to leave you guys here today while I go and enjoy some good African food. And take a moment and tell me what you think of the video. Please hit the subscribe button. Every week I'll be doing some community tour just to give you real life on what is going on in Charlotte. And let me show you, this is 4,500 square foot 3-car garage home. Let me turn the camera on just to give you a quick glance in front of the house real quick. And I'll leave you on this note so I can go enjoy some good food. All right, until then, we'll see you guys next time. Take a look. 4,500 square foot 3-car garage. She's moving in, so there's a lot of stuff, a lot of car in the driveway, but you can just kind of tell.